sector organization of Jamaica, PSOJ, has added its voice to the ongoing investigation against 6 members of Parliament for illicit enrichment. PSOJ President Mitch Visiaga is criticizing the Integrity Commission for how it has gone about notifying the public.
What I can tell you is that the Integrity Commission has not done themselves much favors by the fact that they have come out and said that these 6 people are under review, 6 parliamentarians are under review, and we can't hear who they are for I think the last year, so that doesn't help. So we need to find a better way of trying to investigate, and then when we have proof, we charge.
Mr. Siaga says the issue has become hard to follow.
It's a very confusing issue for me personally, because you hear one thing and then you hear another, depending on who you talk to. I think that Integrity Commission needs to do some work around how reports are actually tabled, and I think the government needs to table the reports. Listen, getting the information to the public is important, and that we must do at all costs.
And the private sector organization.